Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this Prestige pressure cooker review, which is a 5 liter, 2 liter, and 3 liter. This is the 2 liter, the smaller one, and which I have shown you is the 3 liter, middle one. And we'll check the real user review and usage experience about this product. And this is the 5 liter one, and the user currently it is not using. That's the reason it is still in the package. This is a 5 liter, and the quality of the steel is pretty good and pretty premium, and a bit lightweight I felt when I hold it compared to the previous pressure cooker from this Prestige brand. And food on this Prestige brand is, the user expressed that the food is getting burnt sometimes. So this has no non-stick coating or something like that. As the bottom is a bit thinner, sometimes the food is getting burnt. That is the only con the user has expressed. And it took a bit of time while cooking, means more number of whistles the user experience for the chicken or mutton to be cooked. And this is the induction bottom, see here, and this is of the 5 liter. Except that food burning sometimes, everything else is good about this Prestige, and we'll check the online details also. Yeah, this is the Prestige combo set of 5 liter, 3 liter and 2 liter outer lid induction bottom pressure cooker, what you have seen up to now. And I just wanted to show you the price details and the ratings. It got 4.2, and many users have rated this pressure cooker, as this is one of the premium brand. And it is saying like controlled gasket release system provides unmatched safety by letting excess steam built up inside the cooker. 3-layer durable sandwich bottom, especially this bottom is 3 layers. The outer is stainless steel, then aluminum, then stainless steel again. Durable handles and touch cool, this weight they are saying. And the user got this for 4,000 rupees, and now the price has been reduced to 250 rupees or something like that, extra 275 rupees off it is saying. Maybe will be applied in the next step. You need to check the details at the time of purchase if you want to. You can change these prices, and detail will change over time, and now it got reduced. That is a good thing. And it got 4.2 ratings. And here are the other details. Highlights: made of stainless steel, pack of 3 with induction bottom. Many users want to check the induction bottom. Yes, it has the induction bottom, and it is outer lid type. See here, outer lid type. This outer lid type, easy to see and seal openly easily. Yeah. And coming to this, if it is 2 liters, you can cook it for 1 to 2 members. If it is 3 liters, 2 to 3. If it is 5 liters, 5 to 7. If it is 7, yeah, only these 3 are in this combination. Yeah. If you want to check any other details, maybe I can keep it in the view products. You can check for the other details. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.